What's up, everybody? Amauris Hernandez here. I'm here with Manny, Bengi, and Francisco. We're here at Photo Plus. Yeah, Photo Plus, right?
Yeah.
So I just decided to let's do a little off-camera flash challenge. And so I got Ashe, can you come in here? I got my little portable setup with the 8200, the Glow 24, and a little monopod to make life easier. And our model for today, you mind coming in here? Geenah, you can follow her at
Fancy Pants, I-1-6-1-Z, DANCIIPANTZ.
That's the setup. So Francisco's gonna go first.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna give you 3 minutes.
I'll do 2.
Oh, okay. Okay. So he wants 2 minutes, he got 2 minutes.
He only needs 2 minutes because he's been shooting like the whole time, you know.
He was getting practice shots.
Practicing.
Hey, I'll take that extra minute. I'll take it over here.
Guys, tell them what gear you're using for those that want to know.
Sony A7 III with 85 1.8.
A7R4, the 135.
Sigmar 105 1.4 with the A7R4.
I'm using an A7 III with a Sigma 35 adapted. So you got the best of both, well, all the worlds for portraits.
Focal length.
Yeah, focal length.
Time
Starts
You got boom.
now.
I like all of this. So, yeah. Yeah, like that. Perfect. Everything right there is perfect. I just need the lighting to be good. So I'm going to put the light probably like right. I'm there full body.
Full body, sir.
Full body.
You're right in front of him. Hey, Francisco.
Yes,
10
sir.
seconds left.
No, you're a liar.
You said 2 minutes.
Oh my god, okay. Behind the scenes. Alright, I'm good. That was very quick.
That was super quick.
I take back my minute.
So Benji lost. He lost because he's not here. So he's out of the race. Benji.
Hey, Benji, why you say he's scouting?
3 minutes? Jesus. Let's use this bench right here. Ay, la madre. Ahí está. Wash your shoe. Like that.
Is it single diffused?
Do it again.
No, it flashed now.
I was.
No. Oh, that was you? Then give me your trigger. You pause the timer, right? Because
No.
this is a technical,
Hey, listen. If you're working, this is your time being wasted.
just put it up or away. That's perfect right there.
He's at like a few seconds left.
Can you move the light just a little?
Time's over. What are we doing?
Cállate la boca.
Alright, you could count. You can put the timer if you want.
Yeah, time started.
Yeah? Yeah, it went off. Cool. Alright. Y'all started yet?
Yeah, you're on 2 minutes now.
Turn your body a little bit more facing right there. Yeah, looking over at me, right there. Hey, but I'm not, see the problem is I'm not getting high-speed sync on this.
Never mind on that.
Okay, couple more. 1, 2, 3. Put that hand down really quick first. Get one like that. Raise the light up a little bit more. Bring it toward me. Look at that, the vessel. Look at the vessel. Love it. Turn to your side more. Face that way, yeah. Looking over your shoulder a little bit. Right there.
Are you done?
Shot, block,
Got the timer.
I got it.
I'm on some way. I only got it.
Yeah, I do want to try.
Back up slide, like right across from her. And back up just a bit. I want to see.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done.
Shot clock cheese. I'm hungry. Alright, so Geenah, what do you thought about this little challenge that we just did?
I thought it was really fun. I found it cool how it was different with like different cameras and different ways that they want me to put different like angles they want to capture. So that's really interesting.
You're out of battery, but what do you thought? Yeah, he's drained. Look at him.
Well, I'm good. I mean, I thought it was cool. I mean, I like the fact that we changed locations so we can get a little bit different variation because we were kind of limited over there. But you know, it was cool. I mean, I just had 3 shots in. I know I had like 20 minutes to get it, but it's not my camera, so I had to get it, get it working.
I always like these challenges. I know a lot of people here were like, "You're taking pictures before we even started." I could still do it. I sacrificed a minute because of that, and I still got one shot I was really happy with, and the behind the scenes. So
See, we're just giving each other grief, but at the end we're just like, okay.
Yeah.
Benji.
That was fun, man. Yeah, it has flash issues, but we do what we do, man. You gotta work with what you got.
And your shoe came out.
Yeah.
It did.
And you were shooting
I don't know
like,
how much.
and you were shooting like this for some reason.
Got serious.
I think that's how you do it here.
Oh yeah.
You get down. Yeah. No, but it was fun. It was good. It was awesome, man. You guys are awesome. So it's fun.
All right, so thank you to everybody that was here. Richie behind the camera, Anthony behind the camera, Ash with the light, and the support system. Ashley, your name, sorry. Ingrid. Right, support system.
Teamwork.
Follow these guys, Manny. All that information is going to be in the description below. Check them out. Instagram, Taylor Gurus, Manny Ortiz, FJ Total, right?
Yep.
And Instagram as well for everybody else. I'll put everybody's information there. And peace.
Peace.
Guys, group photo real quick.
Got it.
Bro, I wanted to joke so bad, you know.
You can do it now.
Where you going with that camera? Shaking up there. 1, 2, 3.
What did you say?
Yo, it's like really close.